Using the Zebra Print Touch feature on ZD411, ZD421, ZD611, and ZD621 printers. Using the Zebra Print Touch feature is easy. In this video, I use a ZD411 printer. Your printer may look slightly different, but the process is the same. The Zebra Print Touch feature works with NFC-enabled mobile devices and tablets. Just hold your smartphone up to the location on the product where you see the Zebra Print Touch logo, and your phone will do all the work. Once the information has been read, your mobile device will display a menu of choices specific to your Zebra product. You have successfully used Zebra Print Touch. Please contact Zebra Technical Support if you need additional help.